Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to centerline a div element inside another div element. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. So you can see we got this outer div and this is the inner div element. This inner div element is centerlined not only horizontally but also vertically. Also we'll cover how you can put it somewhere here where it will be horizontally aligned, and also I will teach you how you can put it somewhere here where it will be vertically aligned. And at the end, we'll try to center line it horizontally as well as vertically. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Also add a link to the style sheet, which is style.css. Let's create two div elements here. Give it a class of outer. Inside this we'll have one div element, and this one will have a class of inner. We don't need to put any content here, just save it. Now create a style sheet. Select the outer class. Give it a height of 400 pixels. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Padding will be 10 pixels. Now select the inner class. Give it a height of 100 pixels, width of 100 pixels, and background color will be green. Just save it, open this file in the browser to see the output, and that's the output. Now the first task is to make it horizontally aligned somewhere here in the center. So in the CSS file, if you want to horizontally center line a div element which is inside another div element, simply make the margin property to 0 and auto. That's it. Save it, and that's your output. Now there's one more way. Let me show it to you. So this time we'll add styles to this outer div. So we'll make it flex, and we'll set justify content to center. Save it. You can see it is center lined. If you want it to be somewhere here, then just make it align items center. Save it. That will come here where it is vertically center aligned. And if you want it to be somewhere here, then make justify content center again. Save it. Now it is horizontally as well as vertically center aligned. You can do the same using grid. Just delete this part, make it grid, and make place items center. Save it. You can see you're getting the same output. So these are the three ways that you can utilize whenever you want to center line a div element inside another div element. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.